Hello, cunt! Welcome to my lane, you fuckwit! Fucking tool. Do it again, I'll fucking take your mirror, you shit. You fucking stupid! Jesus fuck!
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this happened because the child was following their parents onto the road.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me laying face down. Hands on the sword, in your hand.
Fuck are you doing? Fucking prick. Fucking wanker. He said sorry, so... just sudden, no signal. Vroom.
Wait!
It's alright, I had eyes on.
Sorry.
What are you doing, you fucking wanker? Fucking wanker. Fucking hell! Fuck.
I can hear it now down in the comments. But Pegasus, you went through an amber! Well, welcome to London where everybody pulls away during the red amber stage. And if you don't, you just risk being rear-ended. Also, some people seem to think that two amber lights are on at the same time. So while mine is amber, his is also amber. That is absolutely wrong. There's usually a 2-second delay from when his light turns red and then I get the red amber. And now if we zoom in on the window of the bus, we can see there is a red light on. There is no amber lights. This bus driver just clearly jumped through the red lights. There's no excuse for it.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. From
comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high, perhaps? I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high, perhaps? I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.